Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI influencer from scratch. For this, we are going to use the APOB AI. This AI page that we can create our influencer with AI. As you can see, we have the initial or the start page that we can see all the generations that the people create. We can also view the pricing. We have the nano plan that have 18 credits per day. Also, we have the micro plan. It costs 7.5 per month. It has 5,000 credits per month. Also have the macro plan. It costs 17.5 per month. It has 35,000 credits per month. It have these benefits. And finally, we have the mega. It costs $14 per month and it has all of these benefits. By the way, you can choose your paid like monthly or yearly. Then we are going to sign up or log in if you have an account of this AI. So in this case, you are going to sign up if you want to put your email and your password and confirm the password. Or we can also create our account of APOB using our Google account or our Discord account. If you choose the Google account, you need to log in your Google account. Then it will ask you to let APOB to create account. So then we have our APOB account created successfully. Then we have this section that we can also view our credits. In this case, we have 17. We can upgrade our membership that you can see. We have the one-time subscription option that is unlocked with the subscribed members. So we're going to do is in the notification center, we have the zone that we can view all of the notifications, the generation, the social, and the system notifications. We have the center panel that we can contact with the super center of this APOF AI. We have the sidebar that we can take a look. We have this option to create a model portrait. We can use an image, we can upload it. We have the model name, the description, and the make it public or private. If you want to make it private, we need to need a paid subscription. So in this case, we're going to let it in public. So also have the AI influencer generator. And as you can see, we have this. We can choose the genre, the age. Also, we can select the country of our influencer. As you can see, we have all of the countries. We can also choose a secondary country. We can select the eyes of the influencer, the hairstyle of the influencer, the hair color, and also we can select the face shape. As you can see, we are going to select the dimple, the bird, and the something. If you want to make it random, we can reset our influencer and click it on random. It will make it the influencer random. As you can see, the generation, it will cost 10 credits or our account. So it will need to generate it. And in this case, we have the history of a model that I generated previously. So I'm going to select it. And then we have to select this image as reference image. So then we have to put a model name. In this case, it's Petunia. And the description. In the description, I will put this little girl who likes the coffee. So then we are going to create your image model now. And also, as you can see, there's an option to delete it. And this is done. We're going to look at our model. It says, congratulations, your model is ready. We have the workstation where we can create all of the different videos or content with this AI influencer. We can update the model. We can also generate video. As you can see, we have a storyboard. It will be a storyboard. We can create a new storyboard when we can choose the platform, the length, the topic, and the relevant info. Also, we have the talking avatar that we can make our avatar is talking. So we are going to select a content or select an audio. We can also generate an audio. We can text the script. We have the emotion of the script. We have the voice model that we can choose it. We can create a voice model. This generating, it will cost 1 credit per 1 second of generation audio. We can select the camera movement, but this is a pro or ultra membership option. We have to lip sync the image to video. We can select the different models, the best, the ultra, or the fast model of the generation of the videos. And we have the text to video, where we can choose or enter the pose of the movement or any other component you want to add in the video here. So we can select the style of the video to our model. We can select the background effects. Also, we have the add subtitles where we can select the content, upload our video, and it will cost 2 credits per second. We also have the video face swap, the camera movement that we can choose different movement of the camera. We have the video upscale, then we can build your own complete set, expert, and other like this. So in this case, we are going to the generate video. We need to create a new storyboard. In this case, we're going to select the platform, the length, and the topic. The topic, it will be the coffee shop. In your relevant info, we're going to put that Petunia gets into a coffee shop. Then we click on generate new storyboard. It will cost 60 credits. So we're going to click there. And we need to wait till the generation is complete. As you can see, we have the clips generated. So we have the clip 1, the clip 2, the clip 3, and we have to select the voice model. So after this, we're going to select the aspect ratio. The generation, it will cost 24 credits per second, and the duration is 34 seconds. So after this step, the generation is going to cost us 816 credits. In my case, I won't be able to continue, but in your case, since you'll have the credits available, you can go ahead and generate it. When it's generated, we'll have our video ready with the scripts that we created in the storyboard of this. After that, we can also access the story section where we will be able to see all of our previous creation. At the same way, we can also check out the public creation made by other users. From there, you will be able to download their videos or try different options like making a remix or doing lip sync. And this is a short tutorial on how to create your own AI influencer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.